Size?
Apa ni?
Ano? Money?
Sorry?
Money?
Yeah, we are Malay.
Sabi niya,
Malaysian.
Again, what was that? What language do you speak? Malay? English?
Ilonggo.
What language do you speak?
Ilonggo.
Huh?
Do you know what is Ilonggo?
Philippine.
Philippine.
I know Philippine.
Yes.
Tagalog.
Yes.
You know Tagalog?
No, but I used to live in Quezon City.
You don't know Tagalog, but you know Tagaliglig.
Salamat po. I know salamat po.
You know salamat. Say,
Sorry, we are new on TikTok, so we're just trying to learn.
I'm new also.
You
You
knew
know
also?
I teach you on how to speak Tagalog.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say, burikat sila?
So, one by one.
Babe, cuba translate dah.
Bo.
Aku tak nak kena scam dengan dia ni. Cuba translate apa tu?
Ingay kasi ba?
Huh?
Listen, okay? Can you say,
Tak prank you.
bugo kayo?
Kau ni yang belum
Kau nak prank kita orang.
No. Listen to me, okay? Okay.
Tak dengar lah.
Can you say bo?
Mo?
Bo, not mo.
Ah,
Bo? Bo.
Mo.
Bo. No,
Mo. Go.
Bo, not mo.
Go.
Bo.
Tuh, elok cakap
Bo.
layan.
Bo.
Bo.
Oh, bo.
Bo.
Bo, hindi bobo.
You
Can you say-
know, where are you? I
No,
minta faham.
repeat after me,
Bongok
okay?
cakap dengan dia. Bongok.
Jadi pun
Bo
bol.
apa?
Listen to me, okay? Repeat after me,
What?
okay? Jadi bol.
Bobo di mana?
Ke.
Bobo masih apa?
Bodoh lah. Jangan macam tu. Slow.
Okay.
Jangan relax.
Hey, madam, listen to me. Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you say bo?
Mo?
Bo, not mo.
Bo.
Dati ka mangungo?
Tak, aku ni saja nak layan dia. Bagi dia dengar sikit.
Okay, B-O. B-O, bo.
Tak, aku ni saja nak layan dia. Bagi dia pasrah dengan aku.